If you're experiencing matchmaking error 2025 in Roblox, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and get back to gaming. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or websites. If your connection is weak, try restarting your router. Step 2. Restart Roblox. Close the Roblox application completely and reopen it. This can help refresh the connection and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Update Roblox. Make sure that you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Check for updates in the App Store or on the Roblox website and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear cache. Clear the cache of the Roblox application. This can be done through your device settings. Look for the app in your settings and select the option to clear cache or data. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the matchmaking error. Once you've completed these steps, try launching Roblox again to see if the issue is resolved. If you continue to experience problems, you may want to reach out to Roblox support for further assistance.